Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Please consider joining us as we continue to celebrate Black History Month. For this project, I'm doing a Black History Month, what I call Great Debate Tic Tac Toe board. For this project, I'm using a 14-inch by 14-inch wooden frame that I got from Joann's Fabrics, as well as 4-inch by 4-inch ceramic tiles that I got from Home Depot, white letter stickers that I got from Michael's, black gloss spray paint that I had in my stash, and I'll also be using my hot glue gun, as well as an image I found online of a circle images of Martin Luther King. For the first step, I'm taking some of my metallic black spray paint, and I'm going to be spray painting a couple of the tile pieces black, only because I couldn't find black inside of Home Depot, so I decided to do that myself. For the wooden X and circle, I got those at Joann's Fabrics, and I'm going to be using a matte black spray paint for those pieces. So here I'm just making sure that everything fits properly inside of the large wooden square. And then I'm going to be taking my hot glue gun to glue down the tile inside of the larger frame. For the next step, I'm taking the circle image of the Dr. King images, and I'm going to be tracing them around the circle and using glue to stick the image to the circle. And then I'm going to be using the white sticker letters to spell out the name Malcolm. So as you can see, this is a pretty quick and simple project. And the reason why I call it Great Debates, because I think it'd be cool for Black History Month, using any kind of shape you want for the two letters to take people from history who had opposing ideas, who were contemporaries, and a good time to talk about why you agree or disagree.